In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon order history 2026, step by step. Let's keep this simple and clear. Your order history is where Amazon shows every purchase you've made, along with delivery updates, invoices, and helpful options like tracking or returning items. To get there, start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Amazon's UK website. Type amazon.co.uk into the address bar and press enter. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the familiar Amazon logo, the large search bar across the top, and the domain ending in .co.uk. If you accidentally land on the wrong regional site, look for a country selector, usually near the footer or the top navigation, and switch to the United Kingdom. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right area of the page. You're looking for the button labeled Returns and Orders. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as just Orders or with an ampersand, like End Orders. It typically sits to the right of the search bar and near the account area. If your browser window is very narrow, the option might be tucked into a menu. Widening the window can make it visible again. Go ahead and click that Returns and Orders button. If you're not already signed in, Amazon may prompt you to authenticate for security. That's normal, and once you complete that, you'll land directly on your orders. Here, Amazon lists your purchases in reverse chronological order with your most recent items at the top. Each entry usually shows the item image and title, the order date, the total, and a clear delivery status like delivered, arriving, or not yet dispatched. You'll also notice useful controls on the page, such as a search field to quickly find a specific order by keyword and filters that let you view different time ranges. These tools are there to help you scan your history faster when you need to confirm a delivery, check a warranty date, or locate a past invoice. You might also see tabs or categories along the top, such as your main orders list and other sections for previously canceled orders or items you frequently buy again. If you've placed digital purchases or subscriptions, Amazon may group those separately, but they're still accessible from this area. That's all there is to it. Open amazon.co.uk and click Returns and Orders to view your complete order history. As a quick privacy tip, avoid sharing screenshots that include order numbers or addresses, and remember to sign out if you're using a shared computer. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to quickly find any past purchase on Amazon whenever you need it.